Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a UK TikTok account completely for free that has access to the Creator Rewards program so you can earn money from your views. You'll be creating this account without using a VPN or a UK phone number. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because I share practical no-code tutorials and AI tools that actually work. Now, let's get started. So the first step is to create a new Gmail account. Go to Gmail and click on the icon at the top right. Scroll down and click on Add another account. Then select Google. Now click on Create Account and choose For My Personal Use. Enter your first name, then click Next. Add your data and click Next again. You can create your own Gmail address, but I'll just choose one of the suggestions. Enter your preferred password, then click Next. Choose your settings and click Next. Click Accept All, then continue, and finally click I agree. Now we have successfully created a new Gmail account. Let me navigate to the Gmail account I just created. Next, go to TikTok. Click on your profile icon, then click on the navigation menu at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down and click Log Out. Now, you want to sign up for a new TikTok account using the Gmail account you created earlier. Click on the profile icon again, then click Sign Up. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I post more tutorials like this that show you how to build things online and make money with simple tools. Click on the country option, search for the country where you want your account to be located. Click Continue with Google and select the new Gmail account you created. Enter your date of birth and click Continue. Add your nickname, then click Continue. And that's it. You have successfully created a UK TikTok account for free. To confirm this, click on the profile icon, click on Settings and Privacy, then Account, and then Account Information. As you can see, the account region is currently set to United Kingdom. I'll go back to my profile and then click on TikTok Studio. As you can see, we are currently in the Creator Rewards program, which means you can earn money from your views on this account. To make sure your account stays safe and TikTok doesn't detect it as a bot, make sure to follow some creators, like their posts, and engage with the platform. Also, leave the account inactive for at least 2 to 3 days before posting your first video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel because I'll be posting more tutorials showing you how to build websites, use AI tools, and create online income streams without writing any code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.